camera confidence. Talking to a camera, like what I'm doing right now, and appearing confident, sounding like I know what I'm talking about, and being relaxed and not nervous, that is a really hard thing to do. And if you want to start a YouTube channel making videos like this, you're going to find that out pretty quick. It's just not natural. Talking to a camera like this is not natural. It's not like talking to a person. If you're new here, hi, my name is Rob. It's nice to meet you. Thanks for stopping by. I make videos to help people over 40 get into YouTube, start their own channels, make videos like this. And I've made a couple videos on this very topic, on camera anxiety, how to overcome camera shyness, things like that. And I also talk about this a lot in my live streams. But sometimes you just need a little bit of extra help, a little bit of guided help. So what I've done is I've created a brand new mini course that's called Camera Confidence 101. It's a series of 7 videos. It includes 5 lessons. I think there's around 90 minutes of video. 5 lessons with 5 exercises for you to do at the end. And if you go through all of those, you're really going to level up your confidence when it comes to talking to a camera. Making videos like this is something I only started doing around 6 months ago. I'm not perfect, I'm still a work in progress, and it's something I have to work on all the time. Because again, it's just not natural. Unless you have a background in television or making videos, then it's something that you're probably not used to. So if this is something that you're struggling with and you maybe want a little bit of extra help, a little bit of guided help by way of videos and exercises that I've put together, click on the link below and check out the Camera Confidence course that I just created. I also offer one-on-one coaching for those who are interested, and there's channel review services there as well. Yeah, this video is about the Camera Confidence course. I think it's something that a lot of people need, especially those who want to start their own YouTube channels, because I think making videos like this, when you're talking to a camera lens, is the best way to grow a channel. No matter what you're talking about, if you can look at the lens and engage with your audience will be much more receptive to what you have to say, and your videos will do better. So that's all this video is about, is just to bring your attention to the course that I created. If you're interested, tune in next time for one of my regular videos, and I'll see you probably tomorrow in another video. All right, guys, thanks.